Let's work on Surya Namaskar. A, inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, fold forward. The legs can be bent. Not everyone's legs are straight. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, step back. Pull the waist in, thighs strong. And lower into Chaturanga, push-up position. Point the toes, roll over the toes, lift the chest. Exhale, roll over the toes, lift the hips. And then we'll work on coming back up to standing. And she lifts one leg and then steps it up. Once both feet are at the front of the mat. And you can walk there, you don't have to step up. Elongate the spine, exhale. And then inhale. Arms up. And you're back to standing. So let's add a standing pose, a warrior one pose. You'll inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold in half. Inhale, elongate the spine. Step back, pull the waist in, come into the Chaturanga. This is what we call the Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Into upward facing dog. Into downward facing dog. That's your Vinyasa. And right leg reaches up, forward, back heel drops, arms come up. There's warrior one. Hands come down, right leg comes back. Working on your Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Opposite leg, step it up, back heel drops down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Warrior one, left side. Lower the hands, left leg comes back. Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Upward facing, downward facing. And the same thing. So you're going to step the feet, walk the feet, jump the feet to the hands, whatever works. Exhale the head closer toward the thighs. And inhale the arms up, back to standing.